Coding with AI is becoming more popular instead of writing every line by hand. AI tools can help you to complete the task faster, generate code, fix bugs, and even write the documentation. Today, I want to talk about an AI coding tool called Qoder AI, a platform some people say that can code, document, and test projects automatically. Some even compare it to tools like Cursor, which are also AI powered coding assistant. In this review, I will explain what Coder does, how does it work, what is the strength of it, and things to consider before using it. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools without any confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link in the description if you want to try Coder. By using the description link, any free trial or a special offer, they will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. So first of all, what is Coder? Basically, in a simple word, Coder is an AI-powered coding assistant and development platform that helps you to write code, generate documentation, and even automate the tasks across your projects. It is built to understand your entire code base and help you with real software work, not just small snippets. Now, you can talk to it in a natural language, like asking to build a login page in next.js, and it tries to do the work for you. One of the main features of Coder is something that called quest mode. This lets you give a higher level of task instead of individual small steps. For example, you can describe a full requirement like add Google Auth login, and Coder will break down the task, write the necessary code files, and even generate tests or documentation. It's almost like having an AI assistant that acts like a junior developer handling larger parts of a feature on its own. Another big part of Coder is its AI chat. You can switch between ask mode and agent mode. In ask mode is like a simple Q&A, and you ask a coding question or how to fix an error. The coder gives you suggestions. Agent mode goes deeper. It can modify multiple files, run commands, and carry out your task across the projects. This is more advanced than basic autocomplete we get in regular tools because it can actually change the code based on your instruction. One very interesting feature is many users talk about repo wiki. This automatically generates structured documentation for your entire code base. Instead of you writing docs manually, Coder scan your project and produces descriptions, summarize, and architectural map that help you and your team understand the coder better. This is especially helpful when working with the legacy projects or onboarding new developers. Coder also tries to be context aware, which means it doesn't just work on one file. It understands your entire project structure, dependencies, and past decisions. Over time, it builds memory about your project and also about your coding style and how different parts of the code interact. This helps you to make smarter suggestions and reduce the need to repeat context every time you ask something. Because of these features, many people compare Coder to the other AI coding tools like Cursor. Cursor is a tool that helps you to write and edit code with AI. In some communities, users say Coder's ability to automate the tasks and produce the structured outputs that makes it feel more like a partner developer than just a code helper. However, it is important to share both sides. Coder is still relatively new compared to many well-established tools. Some users report that the AI can make mistakes while editing the files or that running tests and actual execution may not always work perfectly. Other people mention the limitation like uses of capabilities or slower performance when handling big tasks. This means while Coder is powerful, it is not always perfect and sometimes still needs the human review or correction. Another big thing to consider is the Coder's long term pricing. The pricing plan details are still shaping you. And some users find the part of the interface and the model selection less transparent compared to other tools. So if you plan to use Coder for serious development work, it's good to test it first and see how well it fits to your workflow before fully depending on it. In simple terms, Coder AI is a strong AI development assistant that works well for generating code, documents, and even tests. That's especially helpful when you want big tasks handled by AI, like implementing the features or creating document automatically. But like any AI coding tool, it still needs the human supervision and review, especially when precision and correctness matter. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. Hope this Coder AI review helped you to understand what the platform does, how it works, and whether it could be a helpful tool for your projects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and also like this video. Don't forget to use link from description so any free trial or a special offer is applied automatically when you use it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.